Some people, we have some things where we are going to get in cause World Dawg respond to Aunty Donna. Him say some things about her pan him live with here about her ticket them must she herself he must see one brunch, right? And she now respond back to him. So me I go share with Uno what him have to say about her, right? And him touch Ramesh Khan, but you a go on Ramesh and World Dawg would have never ever in and nothing. You know what I mean? Because them good like that. You see me, World Dawg can joke around with Ramesh and him not take it nowhere. You understand me I say? So me not think them have nothing to go on. But we are going to hear what him a say. See, also my people, a woman go link, I think it's a Canadian woman, go link a man a saying catching, right? And she a say when she did it, like she can't really go nowhere and them way there. So she get in breeder, right? And she realized say yo, I know she alone him a deal with and one people we are gonna get in it because of over Blinga life she come with it scene and Blinga add some people to her box and them a talk about the situation my people. You see me? Where Blinga said to the woman, you know, people, you know what? Me not say too much. We'll just go over there. I wanna hear what go on. Cause me go kick it off with Blinga scene and then we go hear what World Dawg I say.
Me just see the whole bag of that come and equip myself because me no want it and me no want to hit somebody. But when me see it drop me I say Ras, Clark you know and when me and mama say, alright, it have to reach over Blinga. Me I say alright, no worry man.
But
you don't have to watch no more that coming. So when you drop the voice note last night.
Somebody had typed in my chat so them delete them profile off of the internet.
Alright, him say I come off of the internet. Earlier him drop one video say I come off because it a tarnish, he might a tarnish other people where him know. So me I say, why no? Why you never know say you yourself a tarnish other people? Because you feel like you're hurt Vix. By talking down Pam Vix and you no know say you pick up the snake and the what me say the devil after devil and have her in your house.
But
because I'm sure no Vix who no dare this cause Vix buy your Benz.
But
the one to buy your Benz that she a try crucify. And the one where you feel like say you love. Think about what me I say now, the one where you where love you and want to treat you right, you know, as she a crucify, you know. And the one where you love a crucify you.
Not hear me?
But it a kind of hard for she get back the Benz, you know. It a kind of hard. Legally she buy it and she buy it in a theme name. Yes, because the Benz in a theme name and the title and all of that.
She needs some Benz and catch it down.
She just probably for the cut her losses with it. Because
no,
right now, we can't tell it in go.
She have money, can't
no, what I mean, you know, because well, if I saw then I saw. But yeah, then if him decide for the Benz a morning.
Enough to drive that.
If him decide to sell it a morning, I eat that fair, you know. If him decide say I sell the Benz a morning, I eat that. You understand? So she have to act as swiftly as she can act. But when I can say, this is it my lad, I can't understand why the youth them right now when I have no morals. I try bring down Jamaica in other fashion here. Because you have what if we still left out here? What if a good man out here, man with a good intention towards vulnerable woman still left out here? And
moderator, take down them people because
is it me?
Take them down and it's a problem. Okay,
I can't see why the man them constantly are do what them do. All in the name of money and driving Benz and try to look flashy. Them a ruin the reputation of good Jamaican man, brethren. We not lie. It kind of ladies can't go no one advice. And you can't just decide say to a man it on the podium and him a rank, you feel like say him a the person. You have to question there's whole heap more to it. There's way more to just you finding a man on the app and start sending him gift. Because over the years, Blinga, on TikTok, me observe TikTok and realize the female them were shows for somebody is the one where really interested in him. So if you can see that for yourself as female, say you are one man because you like him. So if you realize 3 or 4 other female there as much as you are, understand that's a competition for you. So you must understand what the reason for this are going. There's not enough now. So you come like say you no want a man for out there go and take advantage of the female them. It not have to happen. It not have to happen that way there, you know. Man not have to take advantage of a woman, and woman not have to take advantage of a man, you know. Because guess what? You can't be human. You can't be human about it. You can't be human about it. If you don't want a woman, you keep her out of your space, man. But boy Blinga, I can't say boy Azure. Yep. Yeah, the other bites don't they make the woman catch you and drop. You really okay. You sit down and chat one with one, and the one where mean you obviously the one where mean your blood clot good is one where you not mean no good. And the one where you think you mean good and mean you good are the one where hurt you the most.
Yep.
Cause literally she hurt you the most.
It's not wicked.
You see me? Rain I can't Vix hurt, you know, but Vix really they have more for you. Yeah, Vix really they have better intention for you. Because I mean, see, oh, you cannot woman where brother. Oh, and I saw me know so them out there then don't no bumbo clad too, you know that. Because you go for girl to get a Benz and $2 million. If you go spend it on a girl where I try to rob your blood clot soul. I saw no dance.
I have case at Trinidad too.
We don't know.
Eh? Because you literally not realize say yo, see they get caught up with a thief.
Yeah.
Fcvk, she help you to rob somebody and then she rob you.
Damn idiot.
But yeah, me Blinga, but me left off of the live before me go to character, you know, cause right now me not see how the bumbo clad idiot them get the opportunity, you know. Me not see how the bumbo plus clad don't said bumbo clad back a Satan foot boy them I get the opportunity, you know. Eh? The put back a Satan foot of them I get blood clot chance. Yo later yeah man, cause I me not get no bumbo clot chance and me have so much blood clot to do with money. To build up my empire and make some other woman live happy and make me live happy too. So bumbo later me gone here man. Bumbo clot.
Go ahead.
What's up? Well, Leo Queen there. Leo Queen I finished there with the team on the man.
So what I say now? What I say?
Well, I'm not the same thing. Every time I say I go change it.
You see, we as one some of the time, people. You see, the woman where we want, them no want we. But the woman we want we no want them either. You understand? All woman they go for too. You understand? Because him say him and him be a mother, right? And this woman coming in him life. So, me don't know how him and the baby mother relationship set. You see me I say? But to me, that girl from Trinidad, she a look accommodation. She a look somewhere to stay. Because she a take away herself from what she a go through over our country. Right? But this woman genuinely check for this youth. But him love the next one when I really want him. She a use him for convenient. You see me I say? But later on in her life, him a go see mistake.
Yes. Okay, I'll come for it. Put them back. What we did read? Why gonna talk noisy? Who is this making the noise?
I don't know.
Ready to sit down, Mariam. Okay, so who else I got talk? Rocky T, what you say? How it go?
Miss Blinga, good evening. You know when I get to realize the man them they want to be a girl is so bad, and at the same woman they take them out. So you see, that's why them tell us say what goes around always come back around. That's all I have to say. You see them man here we get up every day and feel like say them I go play a woman and play this and play and play and play.
Yeah.
Them time I go come when everything for them I go crash.
I will tell you exactly. We need the page to go to 2,000. 1,000 person follow the Queen of Jamaica. This page that's on there, please. That's the page I will be ranking on Sunday night into the following Sunday night. So I'm asking everybody to follow that page, please and thank you. Unmute your mics and let's talk. I'm gonna stay 2 more hours. Next person who wants to talk, unmute and talk. All right, Leo Queen, you're gonna say something? What you say?
So I was talking. I got interrupt. Right? So even though I'm on the live, I don't really care now because nobody can come at me. I'm getting message in my inbox saying this and all sort of stuff. But because I know I'm not afraid of anyone, it don't matter me. So
Yeah,
back to that little fish.
Hold on, you get messages from who?
Right? From all sort of people, which I don't care because in my background and you can't find it. But anyways, back to the story. So this guy, right? I saw him go around and I saw him use the woman them. Saw him go around and I saw him use the woman them. So when he realized the girl will leave the other day, which was my friend. And he realized he can't take her video no more because this was somebody that this was somebody. No, this is not the wife. This is somebody where used to take care of him, right? Somebody will love him for who he is. Somebody will willing to try with him. Somebody will willing to build with him. You understand? And all him do, a scammer. Him scammer go and him scammer come. He take our things go, he take our things come. And when he take the things and I like saying I'm not constructive with it because he don't even have a bed. So I don't know how woman fall for that. Because he don't even have a bed. He don't even want a room. What the fuck?
Ashley! Come here, girl. The man out of bed, Ashley.
He don't have a bed. He don't have a bed. A common thing as a bed. He was my friend. But friend don't feel like that. Because all him do is bring me down. So I might have to bring you down up. If you're on the live and listen out.
Jesus. The boy now have no bed. Father God. Who not no bed in a distance? A blow bed sell.
The common bed that he was sleeping. Listen, the common bed that he was sleeping on was mine.
Jesus.
The fridge that he was using was mine.
Everybody follow the page. Queen
And him
of
still
Jamaica.
owe my money when him still need to pay my money when for me. So I don't know how you talk woman as a broke. All him do is sit down and run bar every day, drink and junk. Me have to take him up and carry me. Yeah. When him go road and drink and junk, all him do, I vomit up the place. You understand? So sometimes I wonder, I said to my friend, say, what did you see on this man? Because him look like a croc lizard. That is not his real color. He might look white, but a bleach in a bleach.
Mighty God. Hold on, let me see if I have the picture to show the people. Guys, I have to show you the picture. We are speaking about this gentleman, my son. Wait, let I'm going big box.
Mind you, he has 2 kids. And outside 2 put them, none of them him not mind. And the big girl, him can't see the big daughter, none at all, because the mother restrained him from seeing her.
Jesus Christ. You're dirty water.
I'm not making up no stories, you know. Whatsoever I'm talking is facts. I don't make up stories. I don't tell lies.
Anything I tell you, that's where I work with, my love.
Afraid of who? How can I be afraid of croco lizard? I'm not afraid of croco lizard because he look just like a croco lizard. Afraid of who? That boy is a bat. You need to go back.
We're going to show you the guy that she's talking, guys.
Blinga, sometime I the mother them.
Should be afraid of me when he was bringing me down. So just like he can bring me down, we were friends, and all when him and the woman them left, I've never once said nothing about him. But guess what he did? He made a mistake, and he started bring me down and start call up my name and say much man me dead way that much man. If me a factory man, it's supposed to be a problem. And say me a thief. You know the funniest thing? That boy when I used to dump on him TikTok, because my friend, the only person who used to gift him was my friend. You understand? And you know what he did? When my friend gift him and he have how much $1,000 on the TikTok, him take it off and him send go give one girl a foreign to come down to look big. Him don't have shit.
Guys, we need...
And I'm just gonna say, I hope the people who are Trelawney, the people who want to Trelawney, because I know this is on screen record, the people who are Trelawney, they need their money. They need to stop walk and trust out while I bar them cigarettes and rum. The people who want their money, sir, but pay them their money, and I need my money too.
So how much money I feel?
Just to show you how the little low life lie. One night him called me saying sister pick me drop off a step and mash up, and just like when he called me and tell a lie, I see when he called my friend and tell a lie. Say want $7,000 to borrow me, bring you $7,000 until now you can't pay back $7,000. I'm not talking about food, but this was somebody that I used to feed. Just to show you great food.
The page, not forget to the story.
Yes, he's an alcoholic.
Jesus, I'm tired.
When you talk this and you talk that, and you talk this and you talk that, for your man, just to show you say not like woman, him tell me out of him one amount of sorry, say never instead I'm father.
People on the top of the screen, push up the score, support the live goal. We're only there 45 donuts. Guys, gonna stop it.
Alright, my people, so the woman we are talking now, she talk about this man where him full of woman, my people. You see me, but he mostly go for the foreigners them. You see me? So the one of the foreigner them where him get pregnant, she go come up and talk, you know what I mean? And she go explain what go on with him and she and them way, because it's like she did think say him alone, you know what I mean? She alone him a date, but she come to find out say boy him have more woman. Is it? So him this woman you talk about also. You understand?
Sometimes the mother them hate why them are the woman, so
I don't like him. I'm not gonna stop bring him down, cause him bring me down, and me I bring him down. You have to go down today. Me no business about who you want, David or what, you know. But when you bring me down, I'm coming for you, sir. And you know you can't come back to me. That I want him.
I'm gonna take down the page now, my friend. All right, and then add me back. So I want to show the man. Big up yourself. Thank you. All right, so I'm gonna add me back so I can show the man.
The mother don't cost nothing because he don't respect his mother.
This is the guy. Who know him type 1? This is Ashley and him right here. So who know him type 1? This is the guy. He's both man and woman. His name is Rosa. Wait. Yes, his name is Andy Chin. That's the nickname, Andy Chin. That's right. That one screen I need to fix. That's weird. I'm gonna put it Andy Chin. This is the picture. Andy Chin. His nickname is Lloyd George Dixon, and he's from Rosa St. Elizabeth. And
he's not from St. Elizabeth. He's from St. Catherine.
St. Catherine. Sorry. And him have 23 females that fly down and come down Yes, Rosa, you have to stop it. No, not hear me. See me in a sea with a kiss, Ashley. And so Ashley now I'm gonna my love. It is also said that him give people the mighty God of Daniel when we're done with this mania. Be careful of him, ladies. Don't go down to Jamaica to him.
I don't know if him have know about that part.
This is in my side. Don't go to Jamaica to this man. Don't go to Jamaica to Andy Chin. None of you female. He pregnant Ashley and Ashley Bling in TikTok.
Pregnant.
Ashley is not pregnant?
No, yesterday she was on live from 3 o'clock and she never mentioned not one pregnancy. She mentioned that he did. Until Leo Queen and her friends came on, she then mentioned that she was pregnant. She never mentioned nothing about pregnancy. All she kept saying was that he's with the other woman. I understand Ashley's hurt and she has all right to, as a woman, she's probably dealing with insecurity, whatever it is, but she's hurt and she came on just to scandal the man's name with everything she heard. She was taking everything prior to this. So it's not until she found out that he was engaged, because she wasn't even engaged yet. She wanted to go and get engaged to him in October. She was just a girlfriend.
Nikisha, Ashley tell me she's pregnant.
Ashley not pregnant, I like Ashley tell.
Correct.
But she was just online not too long ago, and she was talking about he's a scammer and domestic. Well, now she don't mention pregnancy.
Thank you. She came online on Friday at 3 o'clock and she kept mentioning that she went to Jamaica and he took the money from her. She couldn't go to no bank to get the money. Oh, she was the only woman that stayed at his house and he didn't even feed his mom. He fed me food and I had to stay home and take care of his son. She never mentioned nothing about pregnancy. It's when the ladies keep on.
Ashley took several pregnancy tests. Anything Ashley said me work with my love. Ashley, come here.
Yeah, let her come up and I would love to ask because she never mentioned nothing about pregnancy. When Miss Boo kept asking her something, she even started to fuss and say, oh, I'm a nurse. You don't know nothing about that. What are you? And she ended her live. She never mentioned nothing about pregnancy.
Miss Bling, have you seen the pregnancy test or is she just telling you she took 7?
Over here, so I am the law. Anything Ashley said, I definitely work with until.
Okay, I hear you. Well, I'm one of them people until I see. The truth is in seeing, not hearing.
Yeah, Ashley, ask her to come on. She never mentioned nothing about pregnancy. She was on for the whole time.
I know, but pregnancy won't will a man though. So if Ashley's gonna.
Correct, and she knew about everything. So her coming on live and then starting to cry.
What you mean she know about everything? All the females?
Everything that he was doing. She ended up trying to break this whole relationship by calling his girls them.
When man telling a lie, no quick to believe. But when Ashley tell a lie and I add or whatever she want, I don't know, jump down on Ashley. On the easy part add the man.
I really want to add up. We'll find Ashley back the door.
If you come up here with noise in the background, you not get the moderator taken off. Moderator work, my love.
It's sad, realistically. Like sometimes us as women need to look into these men, but sometimes love has you feeling some type of way. But obviously, she must have loved him to try and keep him. But pregnancy, regardless if she's pregnant or not, it's not gonna keep him. But this whole hate thing, that's what she needs to worry about more than the pregnancy.
Well, I in the comment, listening to the conversation, that dude is like a womanizer. It seems like he's a top gigolo. Yeah. I didn't know like stuff like that happened in 2024. My God, it's a bad situation, but I have to just laugh about it a little bit. He got like 29 different overseas girls. Cha-cha. Real.
So is he recognized as what? What is Ashley saying?
So we soon hear from the girl, you see me, I say when him get pregnant or whatever. Cause my people, you are going on, see, these women, they have to be careful. You can't just know a man and just come link him and guy him yard and them with him. I don't know how much time she ever come to Jamaica come link him, but me have to tell the woman them say, yo, if you come to Jamaica come meet somebody, you book a hotel, make that person come see you first. You know what I mean? Because you don't really know who that person is. If you just guy him yard and don't know which part him live and how the area stay and them with it. So you guys have to be very careful. You know what I mean? And me know some of them maybe not see what go on with the Jamaicans them on TikTok, but in general, just be careful. That's all me have to say.
He's into women, but is he into men as well? Is it a known fact, or is she just putting it out there?
Man as well.
All right.
Oh, he does. Okay,
Jaja.
okay.
Jaja. Yo, Jaja. Yo.
Sometimes when one woman can't satisfy, a man can do it.
Yo, honestly, still, I know sometime when a relationship go bad, sometime, you know, when the love turning it, you know, people will like just talk crazy things off of one another. Are you ladies 100% certain that all of
Yes,
this is...
we are. And I wasn't in a relationship with him, but I know him from Chillarney, and he's bisexual. I was in sex with a pastor.
Whoa.
Wait!
Whoa.
Wait there! Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, guys have to go to work. Somebody sends 100 person send $25. Come. Wanna look here, man? Look over this up on the left hand corner of the screen. That's my payment method. We're asking 100 person to send $25. Guys, I have to go to work. Wanna please to send it over here, please and thanks. All the people them tap up the screen. We need to get to 1 million likes. I don't support the live goal. Come, 45 donuts. Let's go.
Yeah.
Fabulous. Fabulous.
Yeah.
You saw when he.
No, I didn't say that, darling. I think sexy queen.
Talking.
Sexy queen.
I'm from Chillarney, right? And this guy come from St. Churchin, come at Chillarney. Him walk and him trust what the people in bar. Him all of a sudden, me see this whole heap of woman a fight over him. As somebody who me know good. And even though you are pastor man and the parties come out brawling and sitting. So somebody who we know good.
Mighty God of Daniel, of Moses, of Shadrach and David.
So hold on.
He made me frightened.
Look.
Is he like a
Me
part
not
of
get
a
no
cult or
deal
something?
endorsement from none of them big company with them type of behavior. This can't real.
Jaja.
We need, hello, I need to know this boy's page so I can see him, analyze him, and know if he comes to talk to me to just instant remove myself.
Yo, honestly, his sort of sound like the pastor man church over Montego Bay. I saw this and mix up your big.
Quick, sexy queen. Sexy queen.
Go ahead, I'm here.
Let me ask you something.
Go ahead, man, I'm here.
Yeah.
Why is Travaten repeat itself?
Frank,
Really
you know something about what you're doing that mix up here, Frank?
No, I'm just here to analyze it.
Let's say you're going, you know.
Like,
Go on, Frank. Go on. Because I'm going to tell you something about. No, you even need to
the comments.
Yeah, man, stay in there because you take this thing for your joke, you know, Frank. A serious thing,
No,
this, you
I'm
know.
not take it for no joke, but it's the level of the argument.
It ain't no level, Frank. The people them have me have a video in my phone, some video with that person they were named Liquor Kev have some boy, some young youth pan video play with themselves. So little Kev video them. Have them pan video, and if man or man see that video, them are gonna get. I have that in my phone that come to my phone yesterday. Some young youth. Them youth they can be more than 28, 27, whether you put a toast there. Have record them people, yeah, you would be surprised to see them youth, yeah, and do them something, yeah.
Jaja.
A serious thing I go on here, so you know, Frank.
Boy, fire burn lightning,
Miss Blinga, you'll be surprised what these boys are doing these days for little money, little knowings, little
Me know
clothes.
the girl name little the try little Kev. Me know him. Me know man. Just so me can post them on there.
And yesterday I was on the live with Ashley, and Ashley said that she said that she was pregnant.
Me know.
Or she said that she is pregnant for Andy.
Me have to check the caption. Let me check the caption.
The pictures, the wedding pictures, she said she's pregnant for Andy, and she was crying out her eyes and behaving like, oh, I'm pregnant and I can't believe he did this to me and all that. And she said she brings 60,000 Jamaican dollars. She changed her money to 60,000 Jamaican dollars, and Andy cook for him and this and that. So I mean, you never did that bring him down until you find out him pregnant. You get somebody else pregnant. The lady we're married to him get him pregnant, and she says she's pregnant now.
Miss Blinga, you go jump down in the comments, you know, cause Jaja, what a kasha. You down in the comments, don't drop me down there. Jaja, let somebody else go.
Good night, everyone. I don't think the guys them that exposing themselves know that little Kev is a man. I think they believe he's a woman, and that's why they're doing that. Little Kev is wicked to do that.
And just come.
Somebody's saying he posted ultrasounds of the wife being pregnant.
Listen. Oh my God. I'm one person. I think I'm just gonna lock off the live because I cannot do this. I can't. I can't do this. I'm one person. I cannot be getting stuff from here, there, and everywhere. Guys, me really check phone now, me rate tonight, everything. I'm a grateful son of the year and everything, but tonight to understand, please. Me can't. When entertainment. Them something are really serious things, you know, guys. Trust me, you know. Something me can't do that, something we do not all the time. You can't do that, something with me all the time. Here what happened. If me have a guest, a talk, and I tell me what's up, I can't have not come up here and I disrespect the person where I tell me what's up. Whether the person a lie, yes or no. When I reach this or yet.
I'm not lying. I posted me on my TikTok the 2 weeks before he married this woman. I posted us at Dunn's River Fall, in love, kissing, making out, holding each other. I posted me with his son. And then I posted the same day of my grandma's funeral, this guy marrying her.
So, mother, you know why me add them? So, mother, let me tell you why me add them. Me add them because she said 23 women, right? So, me that add the two girls to see if any one of them was the 23 women. That's all. That's the reason why I add them. All right. No, Ashley, listen to me.
I don't know his latest post because obviously I've blocked him on everything, and everything of his is public.
Don't watch the comments. Don't watch the comments, Ashley. Don't watch the comments. Listen, Ashley, listen to me, and I want you to understand something. You see, us Jamaicans, most of us are bitter as we will eat you alive, and that's what they're going to do if you're lying over here.
She came on my live, that Mishi Boo, yesterday, and she cussed me out, and I ended my live because the girlfriend, the ex-girlfriend that told me the truth, said, add her to your live. And I added her, and she cussed me out like that, and then I ended my live.
All right, so that's what's going to happen if they find out that your story don't add up. Once you leave here and you go click your live, if the story not add up, actually, trust me, they're going to eat you alive. But now you're talking to me. Come. So
we're going to hear with this woman, yeah, asking me people, because she them did not talk about just now. You know what I mean? Boy, Jano, yo, them woman, yeah, them are look for love at the end of the day. You know what I mean? And some of the time, the man them will look good or whatever. Some of the time, you know, go for them type of man if I love you, look. You know what I mean? Cause most of the time the man them will look good and dress good and them something there. Them have more than one woman. You know what I mean? You can't find a little simple man and start deal with that the man they would love you and cherish you. You understand what I say? But everybody have them preference still. So more to tell more on thinking in the comment section.
You said you don't know if the wife is pregnant. Somebody told you.
Somebody had mentioned that she is also pregnant, but I have no proof. Somebody just put that he posted 19 hours ago an ultrasound of her being pregnant.
How old is this guy?
35, turning 36. His birthday is January 12th.
All right, so when you tackled him about the marriage, he said it's your fault, you caused this, right?
I made a mess, he said.
All right, so let me ask you a question. Do you still think that you and this guy have something?
No.
Are you sure? When is the last time you spoke to him?
The morning of his wedding and the night before his wedding. So Thursday night and Friday morning.
That was when? The same month here?
This week. He got married this Friday.
Okay, I want to know if the marriage is a green card marriage or is a love marriage.
It's not a love marriage.
All right, so if it's a green card marriage, does he still want to be with you?
Me? No. And I do not want to be with him.
Are you sure about that?
I am now after this week from hell. Because there's no love. That man has no love for me. It was all lies. It was all manipulation.
Yeah, blocks everybody. What it's blood clot.
I think he was going to eventually try and scam me and take money from me, but he never did. And this
I want to show you something.
Mm-hmm.
Who is this?
Me and him. At Dunn's River Falls.
Ashley, who is this?
Yeah, that's us.
I want to tell you something and I don't want to hurt your feelings, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, this is the guy. We're going to show him on my other page because this is another case. Sender, thank you very much. Hold on. We're going to show this guy so you guys can see him. All the females in the United States, can I say white? Would you feel some type of way?
No.
All the white females in the United States and all over, England, all about. Be careful of these men. See me here? Him. 23 women flew down to be with him. 23 females flew down to be with him. He just married one. He has Ashley here. He got Ashley pregnant. Ashley is pregnant right now. This guy. No, Ashley, how long you say you've been together with him?
Like few months at most, but I only flew down one time.
Thanks to everybody who sent me the photo. Me now bother black no thanks. And the photo no send me thank you. All right, big up on yourself. All right, so listen to me now. Ashley, can I say something to you without you feel some type of way?
Yes.
My name is Miss Bling, and I am a Jamaican girl.
Yes.
A lot of people don't like me, and a lot of people like me. But you see, anything I tell you, that's what you should do. Anything I say to you, that's what you should do. And that's what you should believe. Do not let nobody come in your inbox and tell you, don't listen to Miss Spring. She's a mixed-up woman. No, I don't do mix-up. I spread awareness. You see, if somebody have a case on the media, I'm the one that take it up and speak about it. Ashley, I'm going to tell you something, and I don't want you to hate Jamaican people or hate me. But I have to be honest with you. Ashley, this man, Andy Chin, aka Lloyd George Dixon, he does not want you. He never wanted you. He's a player, he's a liar, he's a cheater, he's a deceiver. This man will go down on one knee and cry and beg you. He'll beg you. He'll put his son in front of him in the video for you to feel sorry for his son and tell you that they don't have no food. You hear me? Do not go back to this guy. He does not want you. And this man will unalive you. Believe me, read my lips. Don't let anybody go in your DM and tell you don't listen to Miss Bling. I am telling you the truth about these pieces in Jamaica. It's not every man. It's just some of them. He's a user. For 23 females to fly down to this guy. Ashley, do the maths. When you go back to this guy, you might just catch. You've been played. If you decide to have this baby, you be the mother and father for this child. Do not reach out to this man. Ashley, this man is going to play on your feelings. He's going to play you. He will unalive you. Don't you ever go to Jamaica back to this man. You can go to Jamaica. There's a lot of nice places in Jamaica, but do not go where he's at. He's wicked. And I don't want to hear that anything happened to you because, Ashley, most of these men in Jamaica, this is what they do to you females because they see you guys as yamen, fools, clowns. They see you guys as idiots. You understand?
I feel like one.
This is how you're going to feel because this is how he makes you feel. But now you need to be strong for the baby inside of you because sometimes, Ashley, out of every bad come good. So this baby is a blessing. That's your baby. I'm going to tell you, you do not have to click on it. You need to go mourn. You need to go mourn. I'm going to add a pastor for 5 minutes to tell you. And he's Jamaican. Listen to me, Ashley. I want the pastor to come up here and speak to her. Give her 2 words of encouragement. Do not go back to Jamaica to this guy. Never.
People, me just want to say this. You see more while people have to practice what them preach, you know. And you can't just put on a show for the internet. I'm sorry for this girl and what she got through, and these women have to be careful. And as I said before, like these women, you can't just come to a country for the first time and go man yard. It no matter how no get close over the phone or on the internet or whatever. Book a hotel and make them come. They come link you until you feel like say yeah you can go where them come from because you don't know the place like that and you don't know how the place stay. You see me? My God say she alright and everything still, but hope she learn her lesson. You know what I mean? Because she just did a look companionship. You see me I say? She just did a seek love. So let me know what you guys think.
Yeah, look for the pastor. Hold on. Do not go back. Don't go back. Pastor, I don't know if you can come up and give her 2 words of encouragement. I don't know. This is the pastor. I'm done talking. Listen to this.
It hurts me. I'm deeply hurt. I mean, I have sisters. I have a lot of female who I move around with in the body of Christ. And I say to you, trust me, my heart is in tears. But I say to you, be encouraged. It's not going to be easy, but prayer will change it. And I can say to you, prayer changes things. You believe in prayer, right? But you're at a bad place where you're on social media with this, but you're seeking help. You're crying out for others as well. And where you have been, I can say to you, you could have lost your.
I know.
You could have lost. Go ahead. We repeat.
I couldn't leave where I was and just run out the house and go anywhere.
You was literally wash all the stuff that because I know where Manique, I can tell you where that's up Puritan side in the bush.
Yes.
I know those places because of I'm from St. Catherine, but I live in the US. But I can say to you, we're at a far place in the bush. That's country. Those who are listening, I'm gonna tell you, a bush that country.
Yes.
She could have lost her life. And if he's here listening,
yeah.
if you're here listening, I would advise you turn and just clean up yourself and listen, stop what you're doing. But Ashley, may I encourage you. You're at a place where you're getting good help. Miss Blinga, keep her close. Keep her close and talk with her one-on-one. Some of the things that don't bring it to the social media, talk to her one-on-one. Praise God. I mean, some love to hear these things, but some of the things, talk to Miss Blinga off the here one-on-one. Certainly, I will call you, pray with you one-on-one. And I'm happy that you're still here. The baby, if you're really pregnant, the baby is indeed a blessing. In spite of, let me tell you, that baby can grow and serve the Lord. But I say to you, I'm happy that you're still here and you're alive. That's Jamaica, where I'm from, and you could have been unalive. We could have heard that.
Like immigration almost denied my entry when I gave the address of where I was going for 2 hours at MJB. I was pulled into the back, and they questioned him. They called him in for 2 hours. I should have at that point been like, turn around and go home.
You're saved by the Almighty. If you go back to that guy, I know it's sweet, but if you go back to that, there's so many out there, Ashley. I'm telling you, you need to pray. God will answer your prayer. I'm telling you, it works. Pray. Start praying. And start asking God for peace and pray for your baby. Ashley, if you go back to that man, we're going to hear about you.
Miss Bling, I would like to ask her, what were you looking for? What were you looking for?
A husband and love in the wrong places.
Pastor, I have to tell her another thing. Ashley, another thing I want to tell you before you leave this live. Your DM will be filled of men in there trying to console you and telling you, oh, that guy's wicked. I love you. I want to be with you. None of them, you must not. None of them.
Thousands of those messages last night.
None. You need to block them. None of them. Run. Ashley, run. Ask God to send you somebody from over there. Leave Jamaica alone, Ashley. Jamaican men, leave them alone. Right now, they're on a roll. They are all of them, you know.
Ashley, don't take up smoke. Don't take up smoking for it. Don't take up drinking for it.
Alright, so my people. Alright, yes, so I'm going to end it. More to tell more the thinking in the comment section. We're going to go over Real Dog, you know. And hear what I say about Ramesh and Aunty Donna and thing. You know what I mean? And people, this girl, she's hurt. Because you can see she really loved the dude. And her heart was broken when she find out, say, boy, him have next woman. So to all of the women them out there, just be careful, you know what I mean? Don't just jump in a relationship. Find out who the person is first. So we could go over Real Dog or hear what I say, you know, my people.
Life, I said, Jesus Christ, I'm anti that. But I never touch the back topic. We always say, boy, I'm a hunt if you're real. It's what we can't read. They always say, boy, Aunty Donna can't read. Anybody know me from know me? When me these people bro, really. Me not like people come at me, bro. This way people come at me, me feel like when you come at me, dog, they insult me. Big man thing. And no, never really with me. Watch out. Miss Donna putting a pass. Watch out. Me eye totally shut. But he put the pass again. He put a comment. Watch out. Watch it put. Me eye totally shut. Hold on. Weird. I don't believe you alone, man. But yo, go on here, man. A blood car left me. Yeah. Ramesh, me that call link you know, but me not about link you move up. Hey Ramesh, you know say a long time you rate me too. No care you call me phone and censor the Miami in one concert, me still have it turn up in a line. Yeah. You never call me and give me a free ticket yet. The last time you tell me say I can't go mall. A blood clot did this I want to me. No care. Like you guys come to America and don't want nobody else in America. You just want America for yourself. Hear me, I'm a Biden. Hear me, I'm a Donald Trump. Hear me, I'm a Carol. I'm a Carmel. Me to myself. I'm a Carmel arrest. I'm arrested. My name Carmel arrested. You come to about foreign. My name Carmel. I must say who on foreign. You are telling me about foreign. People want people like see people come out foreign and bad mind. I want to hold on to come out foreign. Because I feel like foreign are better so you can go back and talk big way. So I want to hold on to come out foreign because your life hard over your power blood clot. So when you go back to Jamaica you can talk big. That's why I well want to come here. I want to hold on to come here. So when you go back to yard you can talk blood clot big way and see over you fighting hard. And here look so over there now. I see him saying bad mind Swissley. Bad mind Swissley if in two blood clot tattoo them on his skin. Or in brown skin. Show you something, bro. You see me and you have an argument and you cuss me just out of so. I say no, say you never mean to cuss me and I force me to argue. But if I force me to argue, I have all them things. I mean even argue with you and you can't sit down and have all these things to say about me and base your whole story off me today. You are the one who bad mind. You are the one sitting on TikTok wish you never did make pudding and wish you get lion like me. I any idea some seed. And you know so I just pray again when I call Ramesh and I say Ramesh, why Aunty Donna do me so game now? I just go over there in a dog and I just see everything I go on, but I know you is a dog where run your joke in a content because I saw you run joke with me and dog no pay that no mind because you're bigger than that. And Ray, you Ramesh you not tell me something bigger than nobody in your camp. So you want Miss Donna beat me and I just stay beat and make it look like me I put facts, pre-levels. You just did want Miss Donna beat me. So me can say so boom and hold it look like I never want me say about nothing. You never I saw me pray now. You never really want me say about nothing. If you really come here so come say rrr. You didn't want me hold it beat and look like me wrong. Me around here so me call your phone you don't answer. Swissley call you right away you answer. Me and Swissley the day I say you know this a backyard. Swissley, do you want me to ask something? And I call her, ignore me call her, same time Swissley, I call her answer. No, we could have pre-corrupt there, we could have pre-corrupt. We could have pre-corrupt for certain things. We could have pre-corrupt. We could have pre-corrupt for that. Bro. If you don't notice, bro, all of them feel like they can group up. Fun and joke aside now, don't laughing. I'm showing you something, bro. Notice how everybody come on and feel like they can treat me less. And why you want to treat me less? Because I am more than everyone I honor. Wanna force on yourself on people. I am raw born talent. People love me for who I am. Straightforward, cussy, tell people my mind. Wanna not really with me. With me when it's beneficial. When you can't get things so tight. And me and you to give up. Give on a road.
Alright, some people. Just when it comes to the industry, you have to know, say, you have to put on an act then. You see me I say? And some people we deal with you in the industry and them not really like you. But them a put on the act just because of networking or whatever. You see me I say? So World Dog, him need to understand that because him been in this business for a long time. You understand me I say? And me not feel like say World Dog and Ramesh got ever in a no kind of vibes because Ramesh rate him and him rate Ramesh. You know what I mean? And enough time him come and he say whatever and Ramesh take it as joke or whatever. But you go on, you have to depend who make your money side because Aunty Donna and make Ramesh money. So Ramesh should have choose Aunty Donna over World Dog any day. I'll do him a World Dog I come from far.
Go on the road, make on the elf. 3 levels. I mean, I tell you this. Corrupt. Why you made them they intimidated by me? You see me? No. Let me say something about me now. Flex, big up yourself, love you too. And you know what I say? Wait, this I put on there after. This I put on right. It put on. It put on. Wait. This I put. It put on. Jesus, man. That's a shoulder, dog. That's a shoulder. Isn't it? That's a shoulder, dog. Shoe boy. My soul drop a website. Look how the app is big. Why Jamaican always fight the wins? You see your blood clot not me, and your blood clot big head Ramesh. From today, me I roll with Chris Gale. 6. From today, me I roll with Chris Gale. 6. Me and Chris Gale I roll from today. Me and Chris Gale I roll from today. Me I go on Chris Gale party at Jamaica. From tonight, me and Chris Gale at G. Me left off on your side. Me I totally shut. Yeah, me get claustrophobic. Too much on over here now. need a favor, yeah. Corrupt. Corrupt. Well, go on. This little blood clot one. This ugly blood clot one when you Malvo. Malvo, you're ugly no blood clot. Malvo, your favorite rubbish truck. Half a TikTok, are you me a chat Malvo? Malvo, you're mad no blood clot. Malvo, your favorite rubbish truck. Malvo, do me this say na Malvo. Do me this say na. You work for your this. Malvo, you work for your blood clot this. Malvo from blood clot TikTok, you may a chat. Yeah. Don't ramp with me. Don't play Malvo no mind. Don't ramp with me.
Alright, so my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I want to hear Real Dawg say about Ramesh and them where they only not take him serious here because him and Ramesh good. You know what I mean? Them good like that. Me not go think we not go ever see the day when Real Dawg and Ramesh not good. So let me know what you think in the comment, my people.